So here we have this HOFFREE massage chair with speakers, LED lights, and a footrest. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. Not too many pieces here. There's just the main pieces for the chair, then this box has some smaller pieces, then there's a nice packet for the hardware and the instruction manual. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to put together the base. This comes as a single piece of aluminum, which is awesome because all we have to do is attach the casters. So just pop all 5 of them in, flip it over, and then drop in the gas strap. Next, we can install the bottom seat cushion. First, we have to take out all these screws. Then we can attach this mechanism that has 2 levers, making sure both pieces are facing the same direction. And of course, this just takes those 4 screws we just pulled out. Of course, I'm using a screw gun here to make it go a bit faster, but I do come back with the Allen wrench that came with the kit and make sure they're all tightened down really well. Anyway, next we're going to pull out these screws here, then put on these 2 guide pieces and screw them on. Now we can put together the footrest. I do wish this came assembled, but it's pretty simple. You just got to put 2 screws in, then slide it through the 2 brackets like this, and screw the screw on the end that holds it on. Then we can set it on the base and slide in this T-bar, making sure it's angled backwards with this red piece of tape on the outside. Set up the backrest on here. You'll have to pull the screws out first, and then you can screw it to the T-bar. Now we can attach the armrests. Just unscrew these 2 screws here, put the armrest into place, and then screw it back in. And then it comes with these plastic plugs so you can hide those holes. Then turn it around and do the same thing with the other side. Take the screws out, put the screws back in, and then put the caps on. Then for the final step, we can put on these 2 cushions. Just wrap the straps under here and through here, and then clip them together. And then for the top pillow, clip them through here like this. Alright, and there we go. It's all put together. It looks really cool. It was also pretty simple to put together and took about 15 minutes. This chair is a solid single piece aluminum base. It has these nice upgraded silicone casters. It has about a 2.5 3-inch thick cushion on the bottom. A nice faux leather striped design. There's also some cushioning on the armrests. The back of the seat also has plenty of cushion, but these side pieces here don't have any cushioning in them. You can see they're actually hollow, but there is foam on the frame, so it's not necessarily hard. The chair is pretty comfortable. I'm not a huge fan of these side pieces that stick up though. They kind of get in the way of me spreading out my legs. Of course, there's a lever to adjust the height. And then the second lever allows you to lean it backwards. It doesn't lean back that far, but it's nice for relaxing for a little bit. And I also like how these armrests move back with it. The spring on it though isn't quite powerful enough to move up by itself, so you do have to help it a bit. I like the adjustable lumbar support pillow, and the pillow for your head is nice too. I just plugged in the lights, they look pretty cool. It also comes with this remote with a battery included that you can use to change the color, the mode, the speed, and the brightness. Looks pretty cool if you like RGB lights. The massage feature isn't anything crazy, but it works alright. And the speakers actually work surprisingly well. They're right behind the shoulders, so if you turn it up all the way, you can actually feel the bass. So yeah, it's a pretty cool gaming chair. It's definitely not perfect, but it has some pretty cool features.